Okay, this is our new machine called FPM-Trinity. The reason why we named this machine as a Trinity is three key important functions. The one is the resin printing. The other one is a circuit formation. And the last one is part mounting. I hope you may know that Fuji Corporation is one of the biggest manufacturer of the cutting-edge SMT equipment at the field of the high-end substrate. So based on the integration of those three functions, this machine can make the PCB within 1 day by full additive process. And also this machine can import that Gerber and SL data directly. And we also offer to our customer the optimized process condition as well. This is the machine configuration. As the left side, we have alternative parts supplied for both feeder and the tray. And there is one part mount head with the latest vision system. And then we have two inkjet heads inside. One is for the resin printing. The other one is for that silver nanoparticle printing. And also, we have three air dispensers inside. One is for that silver conductive paste, which is used for the part mounting. The other one is also silver conductive paste, which is used for that electrical part printing. And the last one is that epoxy glue printing for that underfilling in between the parts and the substrate. And as a post-process, there is an infrared heater and UV exposure system and press heater. And here is the build stage. The maximum build size is 120 millimeter square. So here is a representative process flow in the FPM-Trinity. At first, we print the UV resin by the inkjet head. And after printing, UV exposure will be done to harden the resin. After that, we print the silver nanoparticle ink with a 600 dpi inkjet head. And printed silver will be dried and sintered by the infrared heater. And by the iteration of that resin printing and the silver circuit formation, this machine can form multi-layer circuit. Maximum layer count is 5. And after circuit formation, we have very unique low temperature SMT process. I'm going to explain about this later. Therefore, FPM-Trinity offers 5.1 to our customer. So every process, resin and the circuit and the parts mounting is inside, all in one machine. Therefore, manufacturing will be done only one stop. And manufacturing can be done within 1 day. And since this machine doesn't require any glass mask tool and a metal mask tool, so our customer can manufacture only one pieces. So FPM-Trinity behaves as a personal-owned small factory. So application is very important. So we've been already validating several applications with some of the Japanese companies. Here is some part of the examples. So if I segregate the purpose into two, what I can say is one of the biggest purpose is rapid prototyping. The other biggest purpose is to manufacture some unique shape device. Those two. So here's an example of that rapid prototyping. So this is an example to